Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. We got an awesome episode here today because why? We have Mr. Jerry Motta. Motta?
Either one.
Patata? Jerry Motta. He's going to make some great food for us today. We're really excited. We're hanging out here in Northern California, up in Elk Grove. So tell us, Jerry, what's up?
Well, I got some marinated chicken, Asian inspired. And then since we're doing that, we're going to go with fried rice. I've got some pickled vegetables and a special Japanese whiskey drink that we will enjoy later.
We're going to enjoy later?
Or we can enjoy it very soon.
I got an idea. Let's make a lot of food and then we'll drink. I think we drink and cook.
I like it.
But we're gonna go and jump on his dish. But before we start cooking, Jerry, there's one thing that you need. It's a Dad's That Cook jacket. Because why? He needs to be official and he can't slop on himself. Put your jacket on. All right, here we go. You ready? You have become one as the Dad's That Cook. So we're hanging out, we're in the kitchen, and we've got some ingredients for what are we got the ingredients for?
So this is the marinade for the chicken. Because I have a wife that's gluten-free, we've got some gluten-free soy sauce, rice vinegar, salt, white pepper, honey, clementines, and some garlic and ginger.
And I love your big ass jar of minced garlic for $5. So since we have to chop the ginger, I got you a little something, and it's not just the little glove. Got your Dad's That Cook knife.
Hey, all right.
The Dad's That Cook knife.
All right.
It's official. You got a jacket and you got a knife.
Sweet.
Now you can cut that garlic
I'll
anytime
try
you
not
want.
to cut my fingers.
Wow, Jerry. Look at that.
All right, we're just gonna put that in there.
Okay, I'm gonna show you something.
Oh.
You don't use that side of the knife. That's why you have that side.
You don't want the little plastic fragments in there?
Well, no, that also dulls your knife. The trick of the day, I have to give credit to my wife because she taught me that many years ago because I was about as stupid as you. Okay. What else you got?
So we're gonna put some clementines in there.
We're gonna put the clementines in.
Just gonna squeeze the juice
Just
in there.
gonna squeeze them.
Hopefully we don't get any seeds in there. We're gonna put a little garlic in there.
Out of your big ass jar you got.
Totally.
Look at this.
A little spoonful of that. Plastic spoon, we put it back over there.
Oh, that's nice.
You
Plastic
like that?
spoon, and then we just
I know.
and then we just throw the plastic spoon away because you wouldn't want to use a real spoon, would you, Jerry?
I got
to
some
not use
paper
plastic.
towels though.
You got paper towels can be composted. That's a different story than plastic in a whale's gut or the bird that couldn't fly away. It was your fault, Jerry.
And then I'm gonna put a little vinegar to give it a little spice, a little rice wine vinegar, white pepper,
A little salt. Oh, get another plastic spoon. I don't want to clean the dishes later.
So we're gonna take that.
Grab a piece of chicken.
So
Watch out for those fingers.
just kind of loosen up the meat. Also helps the marinade get in there too.
Do you envision anything while you're doing that?
Maybe somebody hate a neighbor,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah, a neighbor's always nice. Yeah. Look at that chicken. Neighbor.
Pretty simple.
Or a really fun client of sorts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All my clients are great clients.
All your clients
All of them are great.
You've never had a bad client.
Never.
Okay, so that's a good segue right here, Jerry.
So
What is it that you do?
I'm a painting contractor.
A painting contractor, one of the best too, by the way.
Been in business since 2001.
Wow, so you've been doing it for 18 years.
I think probably the best part is when you finish a job and the customer is
Fired up.
super happy.
Yeah. You're a one-handy guy.
Oh yeah, pretty handy. We put the marinade on top of the chicken.
That's weird. That is so weird. We're making fried rice.
Yes.
That's what we're making. And what's in fried rice? Tell us all about it, Jerry.
Well, my fried rice, we're gonna start off with some firm tofu.
Okay.
I got some Thai peppers.
You're not going to use that whole bowl of them because that
No.
looks like a lot.
And then we got some carrots. We got green onion, white onion. We've got frozen peas.
Frozen peas.
Yep. Got some eggs. Got red pepper. Got some hot chili oil, sesame oil, and
Bacon fat. Love bacon fat. All right, so what do we got to do?
all right. So we're gonna chop tofu.
You going to chop some tofu?
Yeah, we're just gonna cube it up.
You have kids.
I have two. I have one of each. My daughter Madeline and my son Mason.
So what are they into? What do they like to do? What's their story?
They both play volleyball.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you a proud dad?
Yeah. I
Yeah?
like watching the kids play.
Yeah?
It's awesome.
Do you yell? You scream?
No, I'm not
You
really.
don't get all like
yeah.
get all excited?
No, I'm not one of those parents. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna put this on the skillet.
What else can you use if you don't have bacon fat?
You could use
Any kind of oil?
Probably
Like
wanna
Penn's
use,
oil?
I like to use little hot pepper oil.
Ooh, yeah, that's gonna be kicky. What's next?
All right, so we're gonna chop some chili peppers.
Oh,
I did it again. Oh my god.
God! Oh my God! Slow learner. We got a slow learner
I'm a
here
slow
today,
learner.
guys. You're not trying to make it perfect.
No, we're not. We're gonna eat it anyway.
Oh, he did it again! Ah, if I can only dull my knife up, how would I do it? I would scrape it along the cutting board over and over and over again. So, Veggie Town.
Yep.
Hey, it's the kids. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Man, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
So let me ask you a question. Okay? Has your dad ever made any of this, like this tofu rice thing? Has he ever made it for you?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. That's a good answer. Hey, look, it's Melissa. The mom showed up.
We look forward to the finished product.
Yeah,
Having fun?
yeah. Can you
Yeah,
can you get it done because they're hungry?
Oh, he's a very patient cook. He will spend hours in the kitchen without a single complaint. He loves it.
What's the dish that you want your dad to make? What's your favorite thing that if he could make, what would it be?
Lasagna?
Lasagna?
Yes, yeah.
Why?
Well, I am a fan of cheese, and ricotta cheese is my favorite.
Okay.
So yeah,
So you're total big lasagna.
yes.
And when was the last time he made it?
Probably like years and years ago.
What's wrong with you, man?
It has
Your
been.
kid's asking.
He stopped making it because I went gluten-free years ago.
Well, I have a lasagna on my site that's gluten-free. Jer, it's on my site, man.
I'm on
Gluten-free
it.
lasagna.
I'm on it.
You're on it? Okay, great. We'll see you guys later.
All right.
Okay, great. Go do some homework.
Okay.
See you guys. All right, great. So while the rice is doing its thing, and it's going to cook for like 25, 30 minutes or so, I don't know, what are you making now?
Just gonna do some pickled vegetables. Rice wine vinegar. So, cup of water, quarter cup of that. Put a little salt in there.
You're going to throw some garlic in there. All right.
All right, and then we just got to bring that to a boil.
Okay.
So I got this little thing.
Wow, look at this.
And this is pretty neat.
Ooh, look at that. That's magic right there, buddy.
And then we're gonna chop up, just put a little red onion in there for some flavor.
That's how I roll.
Use the back of the knife.
Good idea. Good thinking about using the back of the knife there, Jer.
So we got that all set.
He just talked about using the back of the knife.
man.
Did he?
How many times has that been?
I don't know, like 5. I'm not counting. I'm not counting. So this is our vinegar mixture.
Yep. And then we're just gonna throw all that stuff in there.
And it's okay if it's hot.
That's fine. It'll go in the refrigerator and cool down anyway.
That's true. How long do you have to let it sit in the refrigerator, Jerry?
Usually it's good for at least 24 hours. Because I knew you were coming, I prepared and I made a bunch.
Damn, look at that. That's killer. Looks like it's drink time.
So we're gonna make red akima.
Red akima.
Yeah, red devil in
Red
Japanese.
devil.
We got some Japanese whiskey, agave nectar,
Okay.
and some blood orange.
Okay.
Secret weapon, Thai chili.
You're gonna do the chili.
Yes. So we're gonna cut those up. So we got those in there.
And that's a good eyeball. I like the eyeball. A little heavy with the
Little
wrist.
nectar. Yeah, I got kind of lost
It's
track
okay,
there.
buddy. The ice will melt. Don't worry about it.
We're gonna kind of equal part that.
Oh, sure we are. And then you're gonna shake it?
Yep. See how well.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
See how my bartending skills are. It's been a while.
All right, let's try it out. Woo, that's got a bite, man. Good stuff.
All right.
That's awesome. Yeah, I taste the citrus. Definitely has a kick to it. Hot damn.
Hot damn.
Hot damn!
So
Okay.
we're gonna add a little soy sauce.
A little cardamom.
A little goes a long way. White pepper.
Gonna sprinkle that in. Slap that chicken on the grill. It's been sitting overnight. Look at you in your chef coat. You're all so
I know.
cool.
I'm freaking styled in, man.
You're like so cool now, man. All right, you got your chicken on. That's good.
good,
Ready to
man.
roll. We'll come back and check on it in a little bit. So, hey, I heard that you have like a bunch of tattoos.
I got a few.
You got a few.
All right. It's funny because it all started off with that love and then loyalty.
And then you got this
Phoenix.
bad boy.
Yep.
The Phoenix.
Yep. Year after that, I was like, hey, I need some wings.
Need some wings.
I
Whoa,
got
check
wings.
out that. On both sides?
Yeah.
Man.
And then so after that, then I got the dragon.
Dragon.
Yeah, I've got a dragon.
Still chickening.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, there we go.
There we go. All right, hey, we're back. We're finally at the table
Yeah.
with the Mottamattas, the Mottamattas.
But it's both. It's always both.
That's what we talked about earlier.
Potato, tomato.
Potato.
Time I would say,
Except one's wrong and one's right.
But we don't know which one it is because we're not sure if it's Italian or if it's not Italian.
Americanized.
Do we know? So we're hanging out with the Mottamattas, having some delicious dinner. We've got our fried rice. Can't wait to dive into that. Some awesome chicken that he's made with his marinade and some pickled happiness over there.
Yes.
The drinks are already gone, just telling you. And I'm gonna just go crazy here.
Yeah.
This is good.
Well, thank you.
The dude knows how to cook.
I do all right.
Isn't that crazy? Well, this has been awesome. We've been hanging out here all day with Chef Jerry over here and the Motta family. It's been awesome, and we are very appreciative. Thank you for spending your time with us and cooking this awesome meal.
That was fun.
Are you proud of this guy? He's amazing.
Sometimes.
Well, tonight, at least, right?
As much as teenagers can be proud of.
This is it?
Yeah.
This is the
about
emotionally
this is about
excited
as good as it gets.
love moment right here. Anyway, we're gonna get those recipes up on the site and so that you can try them out yourself, and we'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook. Hey, thanks for watching. You wanna see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You wanna win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You wanna get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.